Hey guys, this morning we're going to do a little word warm up. So I want y'all to stand up. Everybody stand up with me. Let's move our bodies around. Let's get going this morning. We're going to do a little word warm up. I'm going to say the word, spell it, and then you're going to say it 2 times. Then we'll move to the next word. The first word we're going to do is best. B-E-S-T, best. Make sure you sound each letter when you're saying the word. Best. So you say it twice. Go. The next word we're going to do is men. Men. M-E-N, men. Now you say it 2 times. Ready, go. Men. You said it twice? Great job. Our next word is does. D-O-E-S. Does. Make sure you're making each sound for each letter. Does. D-O-E-S. Now you say it 2 times. Great job. Our next word is more. M-O-R-E, more. We're going to say more 2 times. Ready, go. Great job. The word was more. Now we're going to do end. E-N-D. End. End. Now you say it 2 times. Ready, go. Yay, great job. End. Now we're going to go to this next column over here. Our first word is see. S-E-E. See. I'm going to say see, and you're going to repeat it 2 times. And this one has a double vowel, 2 vowels, which makes the long E sound. So let's say it all together. See. Now you say it 2 times. Ready, go. Great job. That was see. Now we're going to go to job. J-O-B, job. Let's say that all together. Job. Now you say it 2 times. Ready, go. Great job. That was job. Our next word is left. Left. L-E-F-T. Left. Now you say it 2 times. Good job. You said left twice. Left. L-E-F-T. Next is wash. And wash has this little S-H at the end that makes just one sound. Shh. So we say wash. Wash. So you guys are going to say wash 2 times. Ready, go. Thumbs up for a great job. Our last word also has this little combination at the beginning of TH, which makes one sound, th. And we're going to say van. Van. This word is van. T-H-A-N, van. Now I want you to say it twice. Ready, go. Yay! Give yourselves a round of applause. You said all of our words today 2 times. Great job. I'll talk to y'all later.